how to fix animation text Instagram story not working. The first thing what you need to do when you get into that file selection, you need to get out from your application, and then you need simply to go to your Play Store and check over your update session on your Instagram. As you see in this case, I don't have any problems for it because I have the option which is called open. For example, if you have an option which is update, that means that you don't have the latest version of Instagram and you need to get it and take over that Play Protect which is related on the Google Play Store. When you get done with all that stuff, you need to go uninstall and then reinstall the application back, and simply after you get done with all that stuff, you can simply go on the search box and type for Super VPN and just go on that first selection which is right over there. It has more than 100 million downloads on that selection. You need to go install and take over that selection, and when you get all that site for this application, you need to open it up and connect it to your Instagram. Then it will take off and fix all that problem.